Even after attacks on LGBTQ plus record, Judge Jackson makes history at Supreme Court.
Yeah,
Ketanji Brown Jackson was confirmed for the Supreme Court today with the bipartisan support, making history as the first black woman to be confirmed to the country's highest court. While she did get the support of moderate Republican Senators Susan Collins, Mitt Romney, and Lisa Murkowski, she received plenty of attacks from other members of the GOP. One standout was Senator John Cornyn of Texas. He attacked Jackson for her support of the Obergefell versus Hodges, calling it a case of policy making from the bench, saying people should be able to discriminate against gay people if it is part of their, in quote, sincerely held religious beliefs. Jackson replied saying, quote, that is the nature of a right. When there is a right, it means that there are limitations on regulation, even if people are regulating pursuant to their sincerely held religious beliefs.
This was a huge story, and it's groundbreaking, and it actually was just announced probably just before we came on the air that she was officially won. But would you look at Lindsey Graham and some of the others who have said if they were in charge, they wouldn't have even let it get to a conversation. They were going to block it like they did, in the last two administrations back during Obama, that it wouldn't even get a chance. So,
I mean, they're just. I mean, I'm not really surprised at the Senator Graham, being a hypocrite of his own words, because he would did he endorse her to be on?
Yes.
Yeah. So of course, going back on his word.
I mean, the attacks that she faced being so overly qualified for the position, being a woman of color, and the way she handled herself was amazing. It was a fantastic day for our country, and I don't think we shouldn't even talk about Republicans or Lindsey Graham. We should talk about Ketanji Brown and being our newest Supreme Court justice.
She's from
and
down
celebrating
here.
her. Yes, and celebrating something good coming from Florida.
A rare moment.
Yeah.
And I think that's something that's really important is to echo some of the words that one of our other senators, not a Republican, mentioned about what this day and what this appointment really means for all the young women and little girls watching this woman represent herself. The journey she took to get there, the road she took, she did not take the shortcut. She did not use her the people she knew, her resources. She worked hard and she made the steps and took the long road. And now it pays off because she has a lifetime appointment on the Supreme Court. I'm so excited about
Absolutely.
that.
And I think that the hope that it brings to all minorities, whether you're black or whether you're Indian or whether you're Chinese, that you can be and you can get to this court. I just think that is groundbreaking and gives so much hope for the future.
Snaps.
LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Laura are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out television network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the